Next stop on our tour is the Turkish bathhouse and Templar tunnel. Learn how the Ottoman people used to pamper themselves. This hammam is a preserve from the 18th century. It is a Turkish bathhouse that was built by the Tsar Pasha, the famous ruler of Akko. It was the social center of the city, a place to hear the news, to make business. All the gossip of the city started here. How about that? The Turkish baths construction was part of the transformation of Akko during the Ottoman period from a small fishing village into a teeming port city and a major construction and trade center. During his reign, El Jassar strove to further to the city in many and varied ways. Among his accomplishments is the aqueduct which led the spring water to the city, the breakwater for safe docking at the port, and the major buildings. It's very interesting the way the Turkish bath, what they use, the time. There is a small video movie that explaining how they do it on that time. So we enjoyed listening to them. Yes. What kind of scrub they use and slipper they use on that particular time. Really amazing. You all enjoy. Yeah. We are laughing inside that while we're watching the small movie. Yes, we're done here at the Turkish bathhouse. We're going now to the Templar's tunnel. And let's see and take a look how the Templar tunnel is. Yay! Walk in the footsteps of the Crusader Templars. The Templars were one of the leading Crusader Knights order. This secret underground tunnel connected the main palace of the Templars to the port of Akko. The tunnel is about 150 meters long and it runs beneath the houses of the city. Here at the western edge of the tunnel is where the main fortress of the Templar order was built. The Templar fortress was the strongest one in the city and for the most part, it abutted the sea line. As a strong fortress, its entrance was protected by the two powerful towers with 28-foot thick walls. Two smaller towers were built on either side of the towers, and each tower was topped by the gilded lions. The tunnel is 150 meters long and it extends from the Templars' fortress in the west of the city's port in the east. It crosses the peasant quarter and in the past served as a strategic underground passageway that connected the palace to the port. The lower part of the tunnel is carved in the natural stone and the upper part is made of hewn stones covered with semi-barreled dome. The tunnel was discovered in 1994. The Akko Development Company, in collaboration with the Antiquities Authority, cleared away the dirt and made the tunnel available to visitors. The tunnel's western section was opened to the public at large in August 1999, from 1999 to 2007. Thank you all for watching.